everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Nice easy Valentine's project for you today. If you're a newbie and you haven't really any ideas of what to make for Valentine's Day, nice easy ones. I've just noticed this needs a clean. So I'll be using these molds today. This is brand new, but I don't know if you can see. It's got some imperfections in the mold. Yes, I got it from Temu. Which is not a problem because I will be using some DTF stickers. I've got these for Valentine's Day. Aren't they beautiful? All slightly different, but the colours in there are fab. I've got this one as well. This one is for that one. Like that. So these imperfections won't matter. And I'm also going to use the Cricut as well. Now, if any beginners out there haven't got a Cricut, it's not needed really. This is just a bit of extra. Right, so I'll get some resin mixed up. Oh, and I forgot to say, one's resin, one may be Aquacast. I've not decided yet because I need to think of a colour to go with that one. Right, resin's mixed up. I'm going to be using a black dye for it. So we'll put a couple of drops in there. Let me shake it. I think that should be enough. Don't need a great lot. We're going to put a bit of shimmer in it as well. I only want a bit. Right, that's good. That's good. Bit of shimmer. I don't know whether to put any glitter in or Maze Springs, the Dazzling Diamonds. Put the Dazzling Diamonds in, I think. I'll put a fair amount, and I'm actually not bothered if it drops to the bottom. If it drops to the bottom, all well and good. Then we'll see it, won't we? The resin's been mixed for quite some time. It's been in the debubbler, so it's thickening up. I'm kind of concerned it won't sink, but we'll see. How is everyone today? I hope you're all alright. I'm not doing so many Valentine's projects, just a few. I'm not really into Valentine's Day. I think I've told you that before. I do love art, so. And all we're going to do is pour it. Very simple project. The Aquacast one, I may do white, just for a bit of contrast. I mixed up 200 mils of resin. Oh, I'm using Teexpert, by the way, crystal clear. And I think 200 is perfect for this. I must have remembered, subconsciously I remembered. Wow, look at that Dazzling Diamonds. And we're just going to let that cure. I'll get some Aquacast mixed up and we'll start on the next one. Okay, we'll move on to this one. I've got my water heater and I'm using white Jesmonite pigment. Give it a good shake. And I'm going to put the liquid into the water before I mix the powder. We want quite a lot. Aquacast is very pale in its natural form, but we're just giving it a helping hand. There we go. And in the powder goes. I'll give that a good mix and see how white it is. Right, we're just going to pour, quick and simple, this one. And this will be going on the vibration plate for the simple reason them balls there. So we'll just let this cure. We'll come back for the DTFs. While that's curing, I'll take this out. We'll demold this. This is going to need a top coat, so if we put the sticker on, I'll need a top coat before that one's ready. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's glittery. You know how I said there were imperfections in the mould? Brand new, by the way. They have come out. I knew they would, but like I say, we're putting a top coat on anyway, so it's going to be fine. Right, I've cut the stickers in 3. Definitely want that one. I'm going to put one at either side, and then I've made something on the Cricut to go in there. I'm just going to cut these round because they'll fit in easier, and I'll get them exactly where I want them to go. Try not to touch the sticker. Try and get it as even as a... because once it's down, it's down. Too late. It's down. I don't know. Squeegee it. It's a good job I've got nails. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Right, I'll speed you up for this because I'm just going to do the same on this side. They're all cut out now. Let me find the top one. and they're on the transfer paper, and I'm just going to stick them on. Right, not perfectly straight. I've not been drinking, I promise you. The sun, all of a sudden, the sun decided to come through the window and blind me. And that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. I might take it off and do it again. It says, you make my heart smile. So when the sun stopped, I'm going to check it. If it's not right, I will do it again. It really is no problem at all. And then we'll do a top coat. I have fiddled and fiddled and fiddled with this. Honest to God, I wish you could have seen the disaster that was. I've scraped it off, and I've tried doing it in white because the red you couldn't see at all, and something a bit more straight. So I've come up with this one, and I've done it in white. So I'm going to put that down. It was much easier to weed. Let's see if I can get this straight. Right, I changed it completely. I've made it red again. It's nice and straight though. That's ready for a top coat. So I'm just going to take this out, demold this, and let's see how white it is. And a bit of silver foil in it from somewhere, I haven't a clue. It's okay, because we're going to stick this on. Now I'm hoping that it's not really different, the white. The bubbles that you can see there are from the top plastic. Let's squeegee it. I'm going to cut around there, you know, the bits of sticker that are too big. There we go. Now all we need is a craft knife, and gently, because we don't want to ruin the aqua cast, and just take it off. There we go. That's good. Tiny bit there, and this last piece. Now I keep saying this, but as you all know, I don't like putting epoxy on Ecoresin, but I am going to do for this. It's such a pretty sticker, and I've got the resin mixed up. I'll be using Teexpert, and I'm going to give them both a top coat. I'm just going to spray it, and we'll just pour it in. I don't want to be losing the balls outlining them, so I'm going to try and get it as thin as possible. It's been in the debubbler for a while, so it's quite thick. Let's get it to the edges. Right, I think that is it. I did want to put some sparkle in that one, but I'm going to leave it now. No point messing about with it. Just going to leave it to cure in the machine, and I'll be right back. All done now, all done and dusted. What do you think? I think it's pretty. I just wish 3 had fit on at once. And I think it needs another top coat, because I don't know if you can see it. I can see the edge of the sticker. But it is lovely. It is very lovely. Came out fab. I'm going to put some foam on the bottom. Black foam. Yeah, I like that now. Wait till you see this one. The Aquacast one. It's so pretty. And the Aquacast is a different white to that. But I'm not mad about it. It's absolutely awesome. I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's nice. I've said many times I don't like putting resin in the bottom of an Ecoresin. It needs sanding on the bottom, but I'm going to put foam on that as well. Well, what do you think of them? I'm very pleased. I hope you are too, definitely. Thanks ever so much for watching, everybody. I'll leave photos of these at the end, then you can get a better look at them, and I will see you next time. Bye.